Good morning and welcome to this short video over ManageBack and a couple of resources that you will use. Some of them you will use each day, some of them you will use just sporadically here and there. Today, first thing, we're going to be talking about attendance. If you come over on the left-hand sidebar, the second item down, you can click on your advisories, and advisories automatically comes up. The entire list of your class and your students will be found on the left-hand side. When you click down, the date automatically normally prompts to the date that today is. This one is definitely not doing that, but we can put it for what will be today's date. Today I'm recording this. It's going to be Thursday the 18th. And I can go through and click on Mark As and mark everyone present. If this already has the P, normally it will not, but if it happens to already have the P, I think because this is staying on the last day I would have taken attendance last year, it normally will not have the P, so you will go ahead and go over here and mark the present tab. And the A, of course, meaning that the student is absent, you can mark those individually after. You do not have to click submit in this screen. It is automatically registered just from clicking on the present button and then marking those students who are absent. You can once again, after you get done with that, as need be, you can click on the name of a student. It will pull up that student, and then over here I've been asked to show you how to fill out a behavior or discipline note. When clicking on here, you can click on add a note. Go ahead and make all notations. What type of behavior did you see? What type of action did you take? Is there an appropriate or next needed step? What day and time did the behavior occur? And then you can go down here and add in the box any additional notes that you want to see. It's normally visible immediately by the administration here at the school and also to the parents, so they will be able to see any notations that you make. Those are really the only things that they've asked me to go over with you today. I hope that you found this small tutorial informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the halls. Have a good time.